Good morning. Today I am presenting a tutorial on how to use Adobe Firefly. First, you'll want to make sure that you are signed in and have an account, and you'll want to make sure that this image part is selected. You can definitely experiment with these other things later. So we're just going to describe an image that we want to create. I want to create a wedding cake that has been chewed on by baby dragons, because I think that would be adorable. So I'm going to go ahead and generate that image. And it just takes a moment to load, but these are some of the ideas that it has given us. And if I wanted to be a little more specific with that, because I was looking for kind of a cartoon, I could say animated baby dragons. And let's also try out one of these filters down here that might give us kind of a cool look. I kind of like this painting kind of look. I think that would look good. Or this digital art. I think we'll try that. We'll try the digital art. And we'll see what that prompts for us. Ooh, I really like this one. So what we're going to want to do, if it is one of our favorites, we could definitely favorite it, add that to stars. If we want to go view our favorites, we could go ahead and go do that. But for right now, I'm just going to download this image. Then we're going to go over to our presentation. And there's one of two ways that I can add this in here. First, I could go to Insert and I could go to Image, Upload from Computer. And this is more if I want to be, here it is. This is more if I want to be able to adjust this image, move it around the page, make it small, make it large. It's kind of depending on your style. The other way that we could add it in is we can go to Slide, we can go to Change Background, choose Image, Browse. Okay, there it is again. And we can hit Done. And we'll just get rid of those text boxes so you can see the full effect. But that is what your finished image would look like.